Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Nutrition Fact. Today I am gonna discuss about the significance of seafood prawns. As seafood has been shown to have numerous health benefits, today I am gonna discuss about the importance of one of the seafood called prawns. Prawns are a rich source of selenium, which is the effective antioxidant at maintaining healthy cells. Prawns also contain the high levels of zinc, which is useful to improve immune system. Prawns being rich in phosphorus, copper and magnesium, they may help to build strong bones. Today, I'm gonna introduce a simple and very easy prawns recipe with less oil. To make this recipe, first you have to remove the shell on the prawn and should wash thoroughly with the water, turmeric, salt to get rid of bacteria present in the prawns. After washing these prawns, to marinate, you have to add a pinch of turmeric, 1 tablespoon of chili powder. You can add these spices based on your taste. Now add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder and 1 tablespoon of pepper powder. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly and allow all these ingredients to get bind to the prawns. After mixing all these spices well, it looks like this. Now add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or half a lemon to this mixture and mix it well again. Now allow it to set for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, put on the stove and add all these prawns into a pan and boil it for some time without adding oil or any water to it. This process is known as steaming. In this steaming process, at the middle, water content from the prawns is retained into the pan. Boil it for about 6 to 7 minutes. Close this pan with a lid for some time and check in between. After 3 to 4 minutes, water get retained into the pan and prawns get boiled softly. Now take a frying pan and add just 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Allow the oil to heat. Now add 3 green chilies and curry leaves into the oil. Allow them to fry for few seconds. After that, add onions and fry these onions until they get transparent and cooked. Add a pinch of salt, which helps the onions to cook fast. If you are willing to add turmeric to this, you can also add turmeric powder. After few minutes, onion get cooked with very excellent light brown color. When after onions get cooked, then add boiled prawns into the pan. After adding all the prawns, then mix it well to get nice flavor to the prawns. When steaming the prawns, we get water content, and if you don't want to waste this water, you can also add this water mixture into the pan while cooking the prawns. After 2-3 minutes, you can get this type of texture, and all the water we added can get evaporated and mix it with all the prawns, and it gives very good taste as we added many spices to that water mixture. At the finishing, let's add 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder and mix it well. Now almost our prawns recipe is ready. Again saute it for 2 minutes and put off the stove. Now our prawns recipe is ready to serve. Prawns contain a very great source of all nutrients, and prawns contain a lean source of protein and low in fat. Moreover, prawns are rich source of unsaturated fats which can improve our overall health. If you are trying to lose your weight, then prawns are the perfect low fat food choice. About 100 grams of prawns contain approximately 25 grams of protein content. Due to prawns healthy fat content, it do not lead to higher cholesterol levels. Prawns also contain the important fatty acids omega-3 and omega-6, which may helps to reduce many heart diseases, etc. Do try this very simple and healthy recipe. You can have this recipe with roti, rice, or you can also eat this as it is plainly. This recipe is very nutritious with only few ingredients. Thank you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel.